Welcome to Abdali Grammar School YouTube channel. Our today's topic is profession/occupation around us. Let's know about professions. The profession is a job at which someone works and for which they have had training. Nowadays, we need money to buy things. To earn money, we do a job or some business. Let's learn about different professions. Teacher. A teacher teaches the student. Chef. A chef cooks food. Driver. A driver drives the vehicles. Software engineer. A software engineer programs a software. Cobbler. A cobbler mends the shoes. Mason. A mason constructs the house. Nurse. A nurse takes care of the patients. Barber. A barber cuts our hair. A farmer grows crops for us. Every profession is important in our life. No profession has low status. We should respect each other. We all are important. Thanks for joining us in this educational journey. We will see you in the next video.